Today, I want to get super personal lang and share with you yung one skill that literally took me from zero experience to 7 digits in pesos. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel kung saan pag-uusapan natin yung e-commerce, freelancing, meta ads, at yung mga paraan para kumita online. If bago ka dito, ako po si Junji and I help freelancers, mga business owners, make more money using meta advertising. I also run my own e-commerce company dito sa Pilipinas. Now, quick disclaimer lang ha. Lahat ng i-share ko dito na success story, hindi siya overnight success. Marami rin po akong failed projects, marami akong rejections, marami tayong trial and error na ginawa bago ko nakuha yung results ko. So whether freelancer ka, business owner, or nasa corporate ka ngayon, at gusto mo mag-explore ng ibang income stream, then this video is for you. Bago pa man ako magtayo ng sarili kong business, naging freelancer din ako. And one of the most common questions I used to get was, Junji, how much do you actually earn? And my answer was, I got 370,000 from a single client just by running ads. And yes, this was before I considered myself an expert. Maraming nagugulat. Talaga? Isang client? 370,000? Bakit ang laki? Pero ito kasi, totoo kasi siya. Any business that needs more customers can potentially become your client and pay you premium. So the real question is not, how much did I earn? It's, how do you get clients willing to pay that kind of income? When I started, I had zero knowledge. Zero clients. As in zero pati experience. I was nervous, I was hesitant, and I am constantly doubting yung sarili ko. Asking myself, kaya ko ba talaga to? Pero I learned one thing. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging magaling agad. You just need to learn deliberately. Practice ka lang consistently and execute even if you fail. Then learn from it. Paid ads kasi, hindi siya about being a creative genius or yung pagiging, alam mo yan, sobrang techy. It's about understanding how traffic works or how businesses make money and how to connect yung dalawa na yun. Clients don't pay you kasi magaling ka magsalita. They pay you kasi magaling ka mag-deliver ng results. Naalala ko nga, when I was pitching for my first client, grabe ka ba ko nun? As in, basang-basa yung kamay ko. Totally, alam mong very newbie eh. Pero when I delivered yung results ko sa project na yon, yun ako naging mayabang eh. I started closing more clients pa. Earning real income and building confidence sa sarili ko. And that is 370,000 per month. Yes, kahit ako at that time, hindi naman ako makapaniwala eh. But that was proof na you can earn without being an expert yet. Yung real skill kasi, that creates tangible value. What if, nasa corporate job ka ngayon, and then all of a sudden, matanggal ka? Do you have a skill that can monetize agad-agad? Or do you start from zero again? And that's the reason bakit ako nagsimulang mag-freelancing. To own a skill that gives me options and income no matter the circumstances. Fast forward a few years, nagpo-promote ako ng event ko together with Chinkitan kung saan magtuturo kami ng meta advertising. One of the attendees became my prospect. I saw potential in their business. An e-com empire. And I know, kaya ko tulungan yun. And here's how I close the deal. Una, qualify the client. May pera kaya yan? May problema kaya yan? Kaya ko bang isolve yung problem niya na yan? Pangalawa, craft a no-brainer offer. I-address mo yung objections in advance. Kasi ito, pinaka-secret ko. Lagi ako nag-offer ng money-back guarantee. And lastly, deliver value first. I position myself as a partner, hindi empleyado. And I showed that I could generate results. I made a proposal for multiple products, including genuine guarantees, explained ROI, and trusted my ability na makapag-deliver. And yung result, I closed my first 7-figure deal na 1 million. Nag-handle ako ng multiple product for a business. Now, let's go over the most important lessons na ako gusto ko matandaan mo if you want to build a successful freelancing career. Una, may pera sa lokal. Don't assume na only international clients yung kaya magbayad ng malaki. Maraming Filipino businesses yung willing mag-invest basta makuha nila yung results na gusto nila. So never overlook yung mga local opportunities. I remember in March of my first year na nag-reach out ako sa mga local businesses. I saw on Facebook and Instagram feeds ko. Kinontak ko. Nag-pitch ako ng service ko, ng skills ko. Minute ko yung client. And then, I sent my proposals. At first, nag-aas sila ng discount eh. Ini-ignore nila yung follow-up ko. Pero makulit po ako eh. Then after the fourth follow-up, ayun, nag-meet kami ulit. And closed my first premium local client for 90,000 pesos. Second, freelancing is a business. Hindi siya side gig. So treat it as one. Charge premium fees for premium results. Yung time mo, yung skills mo, valuable yan eh. Don't sell yourself short. Third, focus on results. Huwag ka puro yabang lang. Clients kasi, hindi sila nagbabayad for promises lang. They are paying for solutions that actually work. Kung nakikita nila yung impact ng trabaho mo, sila rin mismo magtutuloy-tuloy yan na magbayad sa'yo. Fourth, persistence pays off. Yung multiple follow-up, yung clear proposals, and integrity. Ayan, ayun yung nagpapakita na kaya mong maging reliable partner. At napapansin niya ng mga kliyente and it leads to long-term partnerships. And fifth, learn, implement, and delegate. Skills kasi alone, hindi sila enough. You need to build a system around what you do. At makikita mo, freedom plus scalable income. Ang sarap nun kasi ayun na yung reality mo. So remember, whether you are thinking about leveling up, it's all about results, persistence, and systems. If you want more support while building yung freelancing journey mo, join our free community group. This is your place to learn how to target like a pro, get new ideas, and learn how to overcome yung mga challenges sa pagrarun ng ads. You can also network with other entrepreneurs and freelancers dito. And sana ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. You can go doon sa description box to join ngayon and let's grow together. See you sa next video.